Come on, Rex. There it is. There it is in its natural habitat. Oh, this is a beauty, folks. This is a beauty. A Roomba. I can't believe it. I can't believe it right now. Look at it. Look at his brushes. Look at that. Oh, God. Look at it go. Look at it go. That is amazing. That is amazing to see one this close. Wow. Wow. Watch this. You think it's gonna go down the stairs? You think? Oh, it's more intelligent than that because it's a Roomba. It's obviously better than my dog. Come on, take it. Tigger doesn't like the Roomba. Roomba, what are you doing? Dude, we don't pay you to sit around here and play Guitar Hero. Get your ass to work. Oh, hi, Mr. Purple Thing. Oh, God. Oh, God. Ah! Ah! Oh, God. Oh, God. Ah, my leg. Oh, God.
Left wheel.
What was that, Roomba?
Please inspect and clean Roomba's left wheel.
Oh, okay. Thank you. You scared? You scared? Are you a fraidy cat? Get out of here, you pussy. Just kidding, Tigger. I love you. You got nowhere to go. Haha. It's so confused right now. It sings. I wonder what it would do outside, like on the yard. Huh. Alright. If this breaks it, I'm gonna be in so much trouble. Oh. It's just sweeping up acorns. This thing is indestructible. Oh. It has a problem. See the red flashing light? I wonder what's wrong. Let's ask it. Roomba, what's wrong?
Please remove and clean Roomba's brushes.
Yes, ma'am. It's not dirty, you little pussy. Roomba, you're all better. And the red light is on again. Let's see.
Please remove and clean Roomba's brushes.
I just did that, you little bitch. What the hell? You're so fucking needy. I can't cater to your every whim, Roomba. You're supposed to be a self-competent robot. God, get out of my life. No, I'm just leaving you there, dude. You're stranded. We'll never see ya.